Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. The weather looks very nice, but it's snowy and cold, but it looks so good. I love it. I just wanted to tell you something. I will show you some solutions that I have found for a technical problem. Please watch the video, and if it helps you, I would appreciate your support very much. See you, bye. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope that the solution or the solutions helped you right there. And if they did, please consider subscribing my channel. I would love it. Thank you. Bye.